We're here today in Winchester, Virginia at the Museum of the Shenandoah Valley. We are currently opening a new installation on the trails at the MSV, which is an 85-acre public art park, Virginia's largest, with over 3 miles of hiking, walking, and biking trails.
Our dean, Michael Stepniak, approached us with some conversations that he was having with the MSV. For what they wanted, we decided that the best thing to do was to teach our students how to do this sort of artistic endeavor. Along with my colleague Courtney Riley, we taught a course last semester that was about the art of making sound installations.
Every student in that class had to propose a project, and my project was selected to be installed in the museum.
The experience you're supposed to gain from standing in the circle that you'll see is sort of an immersive experience where you're hearing sound come from you from many directions. There's as we call a sweet spot that's in the middle, and then if you walk up to each speaker, you'll hear individual voices. So we tried to create a space in the woods that was sort of natural, but sort of not natural.
The goal of any sound installation is to be engaging with those people that come into its physical proximity, and that's what ultimately Chant's installation did in such a profound way. And I'm so thrilled that visitors to the Museum of the Shenandoah Valley and to this lovely landscape will be able to experience that.
When Chance first pitched this idea, he was reflecting on sort of his connection to the Shenandoah Valley. And one of the things that he said in one of those first conversations is that because he's grown up here, everything that's so special and unique about the valley is sort of in the background, and that he really wanted to bring what's so unique about it into the foreground.
When I lived with my grandmother before coming to college, she would always be waiting on the deck looking at the sunrise while I was kind of scrambling around, and I never really stopped to look at what kind of beautiful things are around us. So she would make a point to every once in a while kind of sit me down and kind of force me to look at what was around me. And it was just kind of that forced reminder that there is these amazing things around us. So that's why I decided to make this installation that is a constant reminder and an absolute reminder of everything that is around us.